Hi friends, I'm Likhitha H. Welcome to code2create channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a new chatbot which enables us to have a small talk. A chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate a conversation with a human user over internet. Chatbot is commonly used in companies to answer frequently asked questions. Let's go with it. To create a new chatbot, you need two main things: a decent internet connection and a computer device. So I'm going to a search engine called Google. You can go to any search engine you wish. I'm typing dialogflow. The first search result, which is dialogflow, I'm clicking on it. You'll have to sign in and then you have to click on the button go to console. It will take us to the design area where we design for the chatbot. I'm creating a new agent called Likhitha. Remember one thing, that you cannot give space between two characters. So I'm creating it as Likhitha. I'm clicking on the button create. You can give a company name or your name or your pet's name and click on create. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to respond to small talks. I'm clicking on small talks over here and I'm enabling it. After you enable it, you see a list of categories in which group of questions are there. I'm going about the agent first. Who are you? So as it is an agent, I'm answering as I am Likhitha's agent. It's asking how old are you, so I'm answering it to it. I'm answering as I am 11 years old. You're annoying, so I'm answering it as sorry, will try again. Answer my question. Yes. Yes, sure. Can you share the question? Share your question. You're bad. Sorry, will try again. Can you get smarter? Yes. It's asking the question, can you get smarter? I'll answer it as I will try. You're beautiful. Thank you. If you want your answer to be multiple answer and repeat it, you can click on enter and enter another answer over here. So I'm entering thanks a lot. You are making me blush. It's asking me what is your birth date. So I'm entering I am born on the month of March. It's asking me, are you busy? So I'm answering it as no, not at all. Can you help me? Yes. So I'm going to the courtesy category. That's bad. So I'm answering it as sorry and exclamatory mark. Great. So I'm answering it as thank you and thanks a lot. Well done. So I'm answering it as thank you or thanks. So I've completed it 100%. I've completed courtesy category 100%. I'm going to the emotion category. It's saying ha ha ha. That Was funny, right? Wow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So I've completed her emotions also 100%. Starting and ending conversation means hello or goodbye conversation. So it's saying me bye bye. So I'm saying it bye. Have a good day. Or just bye. Good evening. So I'm saying good evening. Have a good day. So it's saying good morning. So I'm responding to it as good morning. Have a good day. So it's saying me nice to see you. So I'm saying nice to see you too. Have completed starting and ending conversation, which means hello or goodbye. Hello or goodbye category completely. So I'm going to the about user category. I'm very angry right now. Sorry. May I know the reason? I'm going to the confirmation. Yes. I thought that it was right. I've completed 100% of the confirmation and I'm clicking on save. Now I've answered all the questions asked by the human user during a small talk. So let's try it now. Hello. So saying good day, what can I do for you? So let's say you are annoying. So it's saying, sorry, we'll try again the answer which we have entered here. So let's try an interesting question now. Let's try ha, ha, ha. That was funny, right? So here we can also ask questions by a speaker. And by clicking on this and I'm saying hello. So it's asking me, like, can the app allow me to use microphone? So I'm clicking on allow. Now I'm asking, hello. Good day, what can I do for you? That we have answered in the questions over here. So I'll say, you're annoying. Sorry, we'll try again. So I'll say, you're boring. Sorry, we'll try to engage you. That we have answered over here. So friends, can you tell me if a Google Assistant or Alexa is a chatbot? Please comment down below. Thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.